To contact support on Cash App, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the support option. This will open a new page with various support topics. Browse through the available topics to see if any of them relate to your issue. Cash App has a comprehensive list of topics that cover common issues and questions. If you cannot find a topic that relates to your issue, tap on the Contact Support option at the bottom of the page. You will be prompted to enter a brief description of your issue. Be as detailed as possible so the support team can assist you efficiently. After entering the description, tap on the Contact Support button. This will open a new page where you can choose to contact support via email or through the app. If you choose to contact support via email, you will receive a response from the support team within 24 to 48 hours. If you choose to contact support through the app, you will be able to chat with a support representative in real time. Make sure to have all the necessary information ready, such as your account details and a clear description of your issue. When contacting support, be patient and provide as much information as possible. This will help the support team to resolve your issue quickly and efficiently. Cash App support team is available 24/7 to assist with any issues or questions you may have. So do not hesitate to reach out if you need help. In addition to contacting support, you can also visit the Cash App website to access a comprehensive list of frequently asked questions and topics. The website has a lot of useful information that can help you resolve common issues and answer any questions you may have. By following these steps, you should be able to contact support on Cash App and get the help you need.